Very good morning to everyone. We are here with yet another session of yoga, and this session of yoga is not only focuses on physical aspects of your yoga. It mainly goes to the mental aspects and how your physical and mental aspects will help you to be better. And this session will be taken by Muskan Chopra. She is a third year student from Swami Vivekanand Subharati University, Meerut. Thank you so much, Muskan, to come on our platform and give a small session on the mental and perspective of yoga from mental health. Thank you.
Namaskar. A very warm and active welcome to all of you here. We all know how tremendously yoga improves the quality of our life, so it will be my great honor to present few of the yoga techniques in front of you. So let's begin. We will start by chanting the prayer, and for that, we will sit in Vajrasana. Perform any of the meditative posture, either Vajrasana or Padmasana. I am demonstrating Vajrasana here. You can also perform Padmasana. To sit in Vajrasana, stretch your hands in front of your body with inhalation, and with exhalation, bend downward. Sit on your heels. To chant the prayer, join your hands in front of your chest. Close your eyes. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya chavedyagenam yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim pranjalim iranatosmin. Now tie your hands at the back. We will give salutation to the Mother Earth with slightly bend backward with inhalation, and with exhalation bend forward. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Come up with exhalation. Gently rub your palms. Reduce enough heat. Apply palms on your eyes gently. Now slowly open your eyes by looking at your palms. Okay, now we'll perform stretching. For that, stand up. Firstly, we'll perform spinal twist. For that, spread your legs 1 meter apart with exhalation. With inhalation, raise your both the hands up to the shoulder level. Now we will turn to the right side first. With exhalation, turn. With inhalation, come to the center again. With exhalation, bend to your left side, turn to your left side. Now we'll perform it again with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come to the center again. Bring your legs together, hands together. Now we'll perform hip rotation. For that, keep your hands on your waist region and first rotate your hip in the clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we'll perform jogging. Start with slow jogging. Make fist of your hands and bring them in front of your chest. Start with slow jogging. Now slowly increase your speed and try to touch your heels on the butt. Now sidewards. Now we'll perform jumping. Okay, now relax in Mukha Dhoti. Spread your legs as much as you can. Bend forward with exhalation, hands freely. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Try to normalize your breathing. When you are ready, come up. Now we will perform standing series of asanas. For that, come to the standing sthiti. Legs together, hands beside the body. First, we'll perform Parivrat Trikon Asana. For that, spread your legs up to 1 meter apart with exhalation. With inhalation, take your hands up to the shoulder level. Now, with exhalation, bend to the right side first. Try to touch your left palm beside your right feet. Gaze at the middle finger of the right hand. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up with inhalation. Now go to the left side with exhalation. Gaze at the middle finger of the left hand. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to the center. Bring your legs together, hands beside the body. Relax for a while. Close your eyes, relax. Now we'll perform forward and backward bending. For that, keep your hands on your waist region. With inhalation, we will bend backward, that is Chakrasana, and with exhalation, we will come forward. Inhale. Exhale. We'll perform it with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now relax for a while. Okay, now we'll perform knee stretch. For that, take your hands in front of your body with inhalation, and with exhalation, we will bend downward. Bend at your knee like this. Come up. We'll perform it with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now relax for a while. Close your eyes. Tie your hands at the back, head in any comfortable position. Relax. Okay, now we'll perform sitting series of asanas. For that, again we'll sit in Vajrasana. Okay, now expand your legs one by one in front of your body. We'll perform Paschimottanasana. Like this. Take your hands above your head with inhalation. Give a slight backward stretch with inhalation, and with exhalation, bend forward. Catch hold of your big toe and try to touch your forehead on the knees. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, Okay, now relaxing Shithila Dandasana. Spread your legs, spread your hands little bit away and relax. Okay, now we'll perform butterfly pose. Bend your legs one by one with exhalation and keep your heels in close of your perineum. Interlock your hands. Your chest, your spine should be straight. Now flap your legs. We'll do it for a few seconds. Okay, now relax. Relaxing Shithila Dandasana again. Now we'll perform spinal stretching. Sitting spinal stretching. For that, spread your legs as much as you can. And now, with inhalation, raise your both the hands, give a slight backward stretch. With exhalation, bend to the right side first. Catch hold of your right big toe with both of your hands. Try to touch your forehead on the knees. Maintain for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up with inhalation and go to the left side with exhalation. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up. Relax. Bring your legs together. Relax for a while. Now we'll perform prone series of asanas. For that, lay on your abdomen. Cross your hands in front of your face. And take your legs apart, heels facing each other. Put your chin or forehead on your hands, whatever you feel is comfortable for you. Now we'll perform Shalabhasana. For that, make a fist of your hand and place it beneath your thighs. Place your forehead on the ground. Now first we'll start raising single leg. Raise your right leg with inhalation without bending at your knee. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down with exhalation. With inhalation, take your left leg. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down. Now with inhalation, we will raise both of our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down with exhalation, free your hands. Come to Makarasana again and relax. Okay, come to Sthiti again, legs together, hands beside the body, forehead on the ground. We'll perform Dhanurasana. For that, bend your legs with exhalation. Catch hold of your both the ankles with respective hands. Now, with inhalation, you will raise your head, neck, chest, and your legs. Balance only on your abdomen. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again, come to the sthiti, legs together, hands beside the body. We'll perform alternate Bhujangasana and Parvatasana. For that, keep your hands beside your chest. We'll perform Bhujangasana first. For that, with inhalation, raise your complete body. You will only balance on your hands and toes. And with exhalation, bend inward for Parvatasana. Inhale. With exhalation, bend inward. One, two, three, four. Relax. Relax in Makarasana again. Now we'll perform back stretch. For that, keep your hands beside your chest. Now inhale and raise your complete body. Bring your right leg between your both the hands. Arch your back, look upwards. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your right leg back and take your left leg in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your left leg back. Relax for a while. Relax in Makarasana. Heels facing each other. Okay, now we'll perform supine series of asanas. For that, lay down on your back. Lay down in Shavasana for a while. Come in sthiti, legs together, hands beside the body. We'll perform Uttanasana, that is leg raising. Firstly, we'll perform one by one. With inhalation, raise your right leg up to the 90 degree. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down with exhalation. With inhalation, take your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down. With inhalation, raise your both the legs up to the 90 degree. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down with exhalation. Legs apart, hands apart, relax for a while. Now we'll perform alternate Halasana and Paschimottanasana. To come in Halasana, take your legs up to the 90 degree with inhalation. With support of your butts, hands supporting your butts, you will go backward. Now Paschimottanasana. Get up and with inhalation, bend forward. Catch hold of your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now lay down. Relax in Shavasana for a while. Now we will do DRT, that is the deep relaxation technique. Okay, lay down in Shavasana. Gently move your complete body and relax for a while. Relax. With closed eyes, listen to my instructions and follow step by step. Gently bring your awareness to the tip of the toe. Gently move your toes. Relax your toes. Relax the sole of the feet. Relax the calf muscles. Tighten the kneecap. Release and relax. Loosen the knee joint. Relax the thigh muscles. Relax the butt muscles. Relax the pelvic region. Relax the waist region. Completely relax the lower part of your body. For further relaxation, chant Akara. Inhale deeply and chant Akara with exhalation. Now slowly bring your awareness to your abdominal region. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relax your chest muscles. Now take your awareness to the back. Gently relax your lower back. Loose all the vertebral joints one by one. Mid back. Relax the upper back. Relax the shoulder plate. Relax all the nerves and muscles of the back. Bring your awareness to the neck region. Slowly move your head to the right and left side. Come to the center again. Relax all the nerves and muscles of the neck region. Completely relax the middle part of your body. For further relaxation, chant Okara. Inhale and chant with exhalation. Now slowly awareness to your head region. Relax your chin. Relax your lower jaw and upper jaw. Lower and upper teeth. Relax your tongue. Relax your throat. Relax your vocal cord. Now come to the lips. Relax your lower and upper lip. Observe your nostrils. Feel the warm air touching the walls of the nostrils as you exhale. Feel the cool air touching the walls of the nostrils as you inhale. Observe your nostrils for a few seconds. Now relax your nostrils. Relax your cheek muscles. Maintain a beautiful smile on your cheeks. Relax your eyeball muscles. Relax your forehead, temple muscles, ears, Relax side of back of the head, crown of the head. Completely relax your head region. For relaxation, chant Makara. Inhale and chant with exhalation. Feel the relaxation in your complete body. Now, for further relaxation, chant Omkara. Inhale deeply and exhalation. Feel the resonance of Omkara in your complete body. In your body lying on the ground. Now imagine the vast, beautiful blue sky. Imagine the limitless blue sky. Make your imagination as vast as the blue sky. Now you are becoming the blue sky. Enjoy the state of infinite bliss. Enjoy the state of silence. Be there for a while. Come back to the body consciousness and chant Omkara again. Inhale deeply and with exhalation chant Omkara. Feel the activeness, alertness in your body. Feel the free movement of energy in your body from so. Gently move your body. Now, when you are ready, come up. Take your right hand beside your head with inhalation. Put your left hand on your abdomen. Bend your left leg and bend to the right side. Get up with support of your left hand. Sit in Vajrasana. Now, we'll end the session by chanting Shanti Mantra. Join your hands in front of your chest. Don't open your eyes. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve tu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kashid dukh bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now we'll give to Mother Earth again. Tie your hands at the back. Slightly bend backward with inhalation. And with exhalation, bend forward. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Come up with exhalation. Rub your palms. Produce enough heat. The heat on your complete body. Again, rub your palms. Apply your palms gently on your eyes and slowly eyes by looking at your palms. Thank you. Have a great and peaceful day.
Thank you, Muskan, for this wonderful session. And this was not a very difficult session, so nobody can practice. It's a very easy and approachful session, so everyone can reach towards this session and they can improve their mental health with their relaxation part of practice and kind of dynamic practice or asanas practice. So thank you so much, Muskan. Your work is too good to reach out many people. Thank you so much.